Here's our staircase renovation. We wanted to change the look into something more modern and industrial. Step 1 was the demolition, so removing all the sheetrock. Then Mike started to remove the railing sides of the staircase. But this was the fun part, just picking all the extra wall down.
We are so thankful we came across Muzata.
We sent them measurements and they created a whole design for us. They also had excellent communication throughout this whole process. We went forward with a floating staircase. I love the dramatic look of the steel beam. After the beam was installed, it was time to add the stair threads, followed by the posts and handrails. And don't worry, Muzata sends you detailed instructions on how to install the entire staircase. We went with cable railing because we really thought that created that modern industrial look. If you're looking to transform your stairs, we highly recommend Muzata. Excellent service and excellent quality.